the symptoms of retinal disorders will depend upon which part of the retina is getting affected. So grossly, the retina may be divided into the central retina and the mid-peripheral and peripheral retina. Now, the diseases of the central retina, the person will become, aware of their problems quite early, because the central retina is the one which is most important for sharp vision, and the blurring of vision will be noticed much earlier. So, blurring of vision is one of the symptoms of retinal disorders, like any other disorders of the eye. Apart from that, there can also be distortion in the shape. Objects may, some straight lines may appear wavy, like you said in your introduction. Objects may appear of different sizes. So sometimes an object may appear smaller than it is, or it may appear larger than it actually is. And so these are the usually common symptoms of the central retinal diseases. Diseases of the peripheral retina usually are missed, or they are not, the patient does not become aware of them quite easily, because they are not aware of the peripheral vision so much. So, but there will be some amount of field loss, which means that a part of the vision, that a part of their visual field is not visible to them, which they become aware of much later. And sometimes there can also be floaters, which means these small dots or spots are visible in the field of view, especially when somebody is looking at a bright background. Patient may also have flashes, which means someone might feel that a flashlight has gone off in his or her eye, or like a lightning strike inside the eye. So all these are symptoms of retinal disorders. Sometimes incomplete images. So they might feel that a part of whatever they are looking at is missing, like an object of interest, or if a person is looking at another person, then the face might be missing, or the part of a shoulder or hand might be missing. So that is also something which patients do notice in retinal disorders.